Welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the trial of Hashim Thaçi and co-accused, 3 witnesses have testified this week with protective measures. According to the prosecution, the 42nd witness, who began their testimony on Monday, was abducted and detained by KLA members in the area of Prizren in June 1999. The testimony of the 43rd witness called by the prosecution also began on Monday. This testimony reportedly related to the murder of a victim who was killed after being arrested and detained by KLA members in the LAP zone. On Tuesday, the 44th witness called by the prosecution commenced their testimony. The witness testified, according to the summary read by the prosecution, about what he saw and learned during multiple visits to a number of KLA headquarters during the relevant period, including the KLA members he interacted with. This witness also testified on Wednesday and Thursday. Following yesterday's trial hearing, the trial panel met with the defense team of Hashim Thaçi to discuss the motion filed by Mr. Thaçi's lead counsel, Gregory Kihu, withdrawing as counsel. In the Salih Mustafa case, the registrar assigned Mr. Lawrence van Puyenbroek on 26th of January as duty counsel, representing Mr. Mustafa. This assignment followed the 25th of January decision by the Supreme Court panel, which found that the earlier appointment of Venkataswari Alejandra as counsel to Mr. Mustafa had no legal effect, since Ms. Alejandra did not notify trial panel 2 of her intent to represent Mr. Mustafa, in addition to already representing Mr. Krasniqi, nor did she obtain a determination from the trial panel on whether a conflict of interest exists. In the case of Sabit Yanuzi and Ismet Batyari, the pretrial judge ordered the continued detention of Ismet Batyari on 29th of January. The judge found that there is a moderate risk that the accused may flee, as well as articulable grounds to believe that Mr. Batyari may obstruct the progress of court proceedings or commit further offenses. The indictment against Mr. Yanuzi and Mr. Batyari, as confirmed, states that between at least 5th of April 2023 and 12th of April 2023, Mr. Yanuzi and Mr. Batyari individually met with a witness in order to induce the witness to withdraw evidence or refrain from providing evidence in official proceedings before the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, including by use of serious threat. Both accused in this case have pleaded not guilty to all charges. In the case against Haji Shala, the pretrial judge issued this week a public redacted version of his earlier 4th of December decision confirming Mr. Shala's indictment. The indictment itself was made public on 12th of December 2023. Mr. Haji Shala is charged in relation to an alleged attempt to intimidate a witness. He has pleaded guilty to all of the charges. He has pleaded not guilty, to all of the charges against him.